Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 with the hyper smooth technology. Oh, my phone would put focus. Come on, focus. There you go. There you go. I hate this phone. So this is GoPro's newest camera or whatever, besides the Fusion, and it looks okay. It's got this really cool screen on the back, which is really interesting. I'm just gonna be putting the battery and stuff in it today, just kind of showing it off. Then maybe we can go through the settings on it in another video, because you guys probably won't even see this thing for another few videos after I upload all the to Come to Trails videos, because those were all recorded with my old GoPro, which is right here. My previous GoPro was a Hero 3. I had this ever since I started the channel. This was the first camera I used on the channel, and you can kind of see that the spot where the battery is supposed to go in is starting to kind of come off, and I tried to tape it, but it doesn't seem to be holding. And the little side area right here is gone. I lost it. It still works just fine. I mean, I can start it up and it'll still flash, it'll still work, still record, still got like 4 videos on it. I'm not exactly sure where they're from, but I don't really remember, but yeah, it still works. It's still a fully functioning working GoPro. So with that, I'm going to unbox this, and I will see you guys in a second, because I can't hold the phone and unbox this at the same time. Alright, so here it is. Here's the new mount, which is very interesting. Looks like you flip this up, I think. Yeah, there we go. Let me push this, slide it forward, so come off. Tight. There we go. Yes, there we have it. The Hero 7. And this, I know this is just a cover sheet. I'm going to take that off once I get the chance. But this thing looks really cool, and I like how I like the black on it. It looks pretty cool. Smudge that up. I hardly ever use this case, so I got a super suit for it, just as like what I got with the Hero 3, which is right there. You can see it's all muddy and stuff, and this is what I've been using literally ever since I started this YouTube channel. This is the camera that I've been using for my YouTube channel. This is one of the best cameras I've ever had in my entire life. Really, really outstanding little camera. I can't believe the footage I've got with this, and this camera got me to where I am today, and I'm glad to be upgrading into the Hero 7. Now, I have no idea how reliable this thing's going to be, honestly. I don't know, but we'll find out together, that's for certain. See if I can get the rest of this apart if I can. Looks like looks like I'm ripping it. That's nice. Hang on. There we go. So we got this. Sorry, this video is real messy. My phone camera is super broken, and it's the only camera I got. So open this. Let's see what else is in here. Someone is here at my house. There's one mount. Okay, so the guy at the store was right. I don't have an SD card in here. That's kind of annoying. So we have our USB drive port, or the plug-in cable for it, battery, and then our 2 mounts. So we have our curved mount, which you guys can see there, and then the flat mount. So there you have it. You have the GoPro Hero 7. I'm sorry for the background noise. Someone just showed up at the house, but that's okay. Um, the Hero 3. If you guys want me to do a comparison video between the Hero 3 all the way to like the Hero 7, I'm sorry that this isn't the 6, so I can't do a direct comparison like how they're doing over the year. But if you guys want me to do like a comparison between the Hero 7 and the Hero 3, leave it in the comment section below, because I know this thing has hyper smooth, but I don't know if my computer supports 4K. So, but I think the setting below it will work just fine. I hope. I'm not exactly sure. So, that, I'm going to have to get a new battery for it, and I'm going to have to use the SD card in this one, and this one, maybe, if I can't find another micro SMD. Because where I am, where I live, it's pretty hard to find that crap, and I don't know why, and it's pretty annoying. But I did get this at Best Buy. It was about $400. Yeah, it was $400 for this, and it was $50 for the super suit. But you guys already know what the super suit looks like. It's just for divers, obviously, but in my case, I just prefer to get this all muddy and messed up than the actual camera. Now, I might still use this mount because I don't know what happened to this one. I think I have it someplace, I just haven't found it. But I'm still going to use this mount, just probably nowhere near as much as I'm going to use the super suit. So, yeah. This is the GoPro Hero 7. Looks really, really good. Really good in my opinion. So, and with that hyper smooth technology that's built into it, it should get much better videos. But we won't see this until after the Tecumseh Trails videos are all out, which I think there's only 1 to 2 of them left, because my GoPro died when I was out there. I didn't really catch a whole bunch of film. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video has been kind of a little boring, and it's just an unboxing and no big deal, but we can go through like some of the settings and stuff if you guys want me to in the comment section below, because I'm not very smart with it. I don't know anything about it. I've seen a couple videos about it, so I kind of know how it works, but all I know is that it shoots 4K, has hyper smooth, and it's new. That's about it, and a crap ton of settings. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, garbage, whatever, because that's how YouTube is with this crappy algorithm. And then you have to hit that stupid bell button, because you won't get any notifications from me if you subscribe, which I thought the subscribe button was fat, but I guess not. So okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next riding video, which I have no idea when I'm going to be uploading that. Probably sometime this week, I imagine. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Peace.